drive the 2021 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, rear-wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.